Hi guys, let's do this unboxing. Who can guess what is in this big ass box? Well, wait and find out. Let's do this. Yeah. So wait, why is it heavy? I think it's right. I think it's 120. Still don't know what this. Wait. Okay, I can try to do it now because you don't want to find out. Please, so fast. Oh, guys! So cute!